Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to properly set TPs for your trades using Edgeful and its data. So basically I had some trade. I won't really break down my strategy in this video, but I had a trade here which was at the New York Open, exactly at the Open, and then I wanted to target this low, and also the second thing I wanted to target is some sort of POI, and I went to the initial balance to check the targets, and at this low there was a 0.4 and 0.5. If you watched my last video, I will quickly go to the reports. Oops. Okay, so let's go to IB. And buy levels. So in a breakout day, 0.4 is 78% likely to hit, and 74 is 0.5. So I targeted 0.5, which was very likely to hit. And also what I saw, what is quite interesting, I don't trade NAS, but if you had this indicator, even with only the indicator you could have caught some trades here. As I said in the previous video, the price is very likely to come back to these retracement levels. I will go to the reports again. Retracement. So for ES, it's 60%. 60% times it goes to the 25%. So it is very likely to go back. And for the 75, it's 12%. In this case, it did hit 75. And after hitting this, and after the breakout here, you could have search for some shorts, for example this like order block POI or whatever, and then you could have targeted 0.5 or 0.6, and it even went further, but 0.5 is usually like around 70%. And yeah, so this is a very nice way to set targets, and it's definitely something that gives you an edge. And yeah, I will make more videos about this stuff because I like using data in trading. It's quite interesting. So see you in the next one.